Hello and welcome guys to the Crypto City Trading channel. You guys are doing good. Well, we are here with another update from the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, has pumped and after that after grabbing the liquidity, it's seeing some, retracement here. So, what we expect from the Bitcoin next. As you guys can see, this is very beautiful trend line. The Bitcoin was retracing for a long time, and Bitcoin has flipped it here. And at this point, Bitcoin is basically testing it again and giving it respect. So this range, if you can see this green range, this is not a common range. This is a very important zone that Bitcoin has tapped multiple times. If you see even in the background, in the backtest, so it has tapped this range multiple times, and after that, it has moved up. So what we are expecting immediately from the Bitcoin, it is like it will take a support here, and it will come into this zone, and after that, it's going to take liquidity over this region, over this black line, 64.7K. It's basically liquidity resting here, and we are expecting that Bitcoin is going to grab this liquidity first. Okay, what next after grabbing this liquidity? So guys, the important thing is this blue box, as you guys can see. This is a balance price range BPR in the daily time frame. So we are expecting that this is going to play an important role. So this range BPR max with basically the trend line respect, it will jump. Okay, this is first thing. And what's the next thing for the Bitcoin? So in the long run, we are expecting Bitcoin is going to guys, Bitcoin is going to go down. In the long run, we are expecting Bitcoin to go down. So you see, uh, you know, uh, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and what next? So from this range, Bitcoin last time pumped, and everyone before this, everyone was bearish that Bitcoin is going down to 45, la la la, and all the things you heard on the crypto Twitter and all the social media basically. So, but from here, this was order block, and from here the important zone as well, and Bitcoin uh, showed respect. And next, what we are expecting from the Bitcoin that after making this lower high, it will make lower low, guys. So we are expecting that Bitcoin will come to this range, 55, 54 will come to this range, and it will jump back from here again. So, but this is not the final thing that Bitcoin touching the lows. This is not the final lows that Bitcoin can touch. The next target for the Bitcoin could be, it will be like this, going a little higher, and then ultimately having a wick here or something, but Bitcoin will test the zone and then move higher. So this is the ultimate zone that we expect that Bitcoin is going to test. Not immediately, even if the one thing that that Bitcoin can test. So let's see, I will get this removed. So let's see from the Bitcoin. Let's get this off. All the things, I don't want to disturb the other chart. So okay, so this is going to play an important role. But this is as saying uh, the lower high, right? So if Bitcoin somehow go and grab this liquidity and you know, uh, take out the zone, right? Then we will not expect that it is going to take this zone again here. And then Bitcoin can make a low, basically higher low, and then it will move for, the next moves. So But for now, we are not expecting this. It will max go to this point, and after that, it is going to make a new low. It is going to make a new low, guys. So this is what we think. In the weekly, if you see, we have a big wick here. In the weekly, if you guys see, we have a big wick here, and this is the first step. We were talking about the first step, then after that, the second step would be this one. So let's see, guys. This is a plan. The golden pocket lies at this point, but this could be the important zone from where Bitcoin can actually start the bullish moves, proper bullish moves, change the structure and proper bullish moves. You see all these red candles here, all these green candles here. So at some point we need to make a low. So this is what was happening, with the Bitcoin, and we're not expecting. We are not saying that it's bearish. We're not saying it's going to be a bear market. It is a low that Bitcoin is making, and after that, a new high will come soon. So, what we can see, guys, tapping into this will give us a good ground to move higher again. So this is important, guys. This is our analysis in the long time frame. We are expecting Bitcoin to go down, and it will play an important role. Another thing, if you see the first, so it can, jump onto this first and, move a little higher, then go back. But ultimately, I'm talking about the bigger game. I'm talking about the bigger game, guys. So let's get prepared for this. Have this thing in your mind. Save your pockets. Save your, take your profits. So you can actually purchase good coins at this point, good coins at this point or at this point. So 55, 56, this is going to important. This is going to be an important zone, and this will be an important zone as well. So we'll keep you updated, guys. This is our analysis. Market is very dynamic. We compare, we add many things, and we see a lot of things to design our view. So we hope that this is going to be the next move from the Bitcoin. Thank you very much, guys, for now, and you can always join our Discord channel. So as you guys can see, we are posting continuously setups here. You guys can see in the short-term trades, we are posting setups and updating you with the TP hit and updating you with the SL hit as well. We are not the type of people that will only tell you that SL hit, TP hit, TP hit. No, we are telling you about the SL hit as well. And in our group, there is no restriction to talk about TPs or SL. There are certain groups that we know that don't like to talk about the SL hits. There are groups there, guys. But this is all about quality content. This is all about having a fair platform where we can discuss anything and everything. So there's in this, you can also talk about, you can request us for the analysis. You can ask any question. We'll respond you here. And the discussion is for everyone. You can come and you can take part and ask us questions and we'll respond. So this is a good community that we are building. Be a part of this community and enjoy. And most important thing, enjoy some good profits, guys. Make some good profits. We already took some good trades. We already enjoyed some good trades. And this is for May 8th. This is today. So this group is live. This group is interesting. Please join us. Thank you very much, guys.